Hi everybody, it's Mark here from Eagle 4x4. This is just a really quick video for you. We've got the new Ranger 2023 model here that we've done all sorts of work to. You've probably seen it in many of our other videos on our YouTube channel, which I strongly recommend that you subscribe to by hitting the like and subscribe button below. We quite often get asked by customers when they come in to see us, or we get emails from them or messages on our Facebook forum. They've just had their truck delivered. They can't understand why when they go to lock the truck, the mirrors don't fold in, and when they unlock them, obviously they don't fold out again. This is a really simple fix, and I'm just going to quickly show you how this applies to all new next-gen Rangers. So, jump in the car, switch the ignition on, wait for the system to load up, and then what you're going to do is on the top right here, you've got a little icon of the front of the vehicle. Click on that. That takes you into a menu that gives you all sorts of options for configuring the vehicle exactly the way you want it. Once you're in there, just click on the button at the top here that says Settings. And then from there, you can go down to another button here that says Vehicle. Click on that, and that gives you a whole load of options that you can fiddle with. But right down the bottom here, if you scroll to the bottom, you've got an option there that says Mirrors. Click on that. The only choice you've got is whether they auto fold or not. Make sure that's selected to auto fold. Close the menu down, and then you can turn the ignition off. Jump out, and let's give it a go. Hopefully that solved our problem. So, here's my key. Go to lock it, and the mirrors are now folding in. And if I unlock it, they automatically fold out again. So a really simple fix. Don't forget to like our channel and subscribe to it. It really helps us. We're going to do lots of videos. We've got the new Volkswagen Amarok here, which is at the moment untouched. Unlike the Ranger that we've got here, which is lifted, has all sorts of accessories on, and is our test bed for all sorts of things. We're going to do the same with the Amarok. So if you subscribe to this channel, you'll be able to keep up with exactly what we're up to. And don't forget to visit nextgenranger.co.uk if you're looking for accessories for your 2023 onwards Next Gen Ranger. Hope that helped. Thank you.